Good morning, children. In the previous session, we covered the various cases of new profit sharing ratio calculation and also the calculation of sacrificing ratio. Today, we will be starting with another important concept in the case of admission, which is treatment of goodwill. Now, already in the goodwill chapter, we have discussed the meaning of goodwill. We will be revising it again. What is goodwill? Goodwill is the value of the reputation of a firm. Also, we discussed two types of goodwill there. One which is purchased goodwill, which is recorded in the books of accounts, and another one is existing goodwill or book goodwill, which is not recorded in the books of accounts. Purchased goodwill is recorded because consideration has been paid for it. Now here, let us look at another angle of goodwill. In the case of admission, in the question, you will have two kinds of goodwill. You will be given the balance sheet in the question, and you might have goodwill appearing in the balance sheet on the asset side. So the first case will be where goodwill will already be existing in the books on the asset side of the balance sheet. Another goodwill will be valued goodwill, which we will be calculating. Why should we calculate goodwill in the case of admission of a partner? It is because a new partner is entering the firm and getting a share in the assets and future profits of the firm without putting in any past efforts for bringing the firm to the position where the firm is today, which means the past efforts which have been put by the old partners will now be bringing profits to the new partner also, for which he should compensate the old partners for their past efforts. So why should goodwill be valued on the admission of a partner? It should be valued because it is a way to compensate the old partners for the sacrifice that they have made in favor of the new partner. So not only have the old partners put in efforts, but also when a new partner is being admitted, the old partners are sacrificing a share of their profits in favor of the new partner. That is why it becomes important for the new partner to compensate them for the sacrifice that they are making. The compensation that the new partner pays to the old partners is known as premium for goodwill. Okay, he is paying them a premium for the goodwill that they have already built. So the new partner pays premium for goodwill to the old partners. Now, suppose the new partner is bringing in 10,000 as the goodwill. What amount should the two partners be getting? Should they be sharing it equally? Should they be sharing it in their old profit sharing ratio? If we think logically, this compensation is for the sacrifice that is being made by the old partners, which means the old partners should take this premium for goodwill in their sacrificing ratio, right? So now if we take an example, suppose A and B share profits in the ratio of 2:1 and C is coming for 1/4 share, and the goodwill of the firm given in the question is 1 lakh. This is the goodwill of the firm, of the entire firm. C will only bring in his share in this goodwill. So since C is coming for 1/4 share in profits, he will bring 1/4 of this goodwill as a compensation. So he brings 1 lakh into 1/4, which is 25,000 as the premium for goodwill. Now, we have already discussed by calculating profit sharing ratio that when nothing is mentioned that how much share the new partner is taking from the old partners, the old ratio will be the sacrificing ratio. Even if you calculate the new ratio and work on the sacrificing ratio, you will be getting this as the sacrificing ratio, right? So A and B will be sharing this 25,000 in the sacrificing ratio, which is 2:1. Clear?